అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈ దీవాళికి మా సినిమా 'ఎనిమి' మీ ముందు వస్తుంది. ఇది ఒక మంచి కమర్షియల్ సినిమా. దాని పాటు ఒక మంచి కథ కూడా ఉంది. అందరికీ నచ్చుతుందని వన్ సెకండ్ మీ అందరికీ నచ్చుతుందని అనుకుంటున్నా. మీ అందరూ 'ఎనిమి' సినిమా థియేటర్లో ఈ సినిమాకి చూడండి, మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. సో బేసిక్లీ లెట్ మీ కమ్ టు ది ఈజియర్ పార్ట్ విచ్ ఇస్ ఇంగ్లీష్. సో మై వైఫ్ ఇస్ Telugu. She wrote 4 lines and sent it to me. I think I started it out well and then it went wrong. But how was it? Did it sound fine? Like, was the pronunciation completely off, or Vishal sir will be able to tell me? Manageable. Next movie, some dubbing something, you'll call me. Okay. Okay, anyway. So nice to meet you all here. It's a nice feeling to be here and, majorly a Tamil film with Vishal sir and Arya. The reception that we are getting here and Vishal sir and Arya's response here is amazing. So it feels great for me to come to another state and, be welcomed so beautifully. Like even when we go out, there's so many people that are coming and talking to me saying, the teaser's looking great, the trailer's looking great. So what we think generally is only like, within the state people are watching, but now all over India, people are watching all content and it feels nice that that's being appreciated. So I'd like to talk about my team. We've put in a lot of hard work, mainly during this COVID, when things kept pushing and things got delayed. Everybody worked hard, with social distancing and mask and, a lot of travel restrictions and all that. We still pulled off a film which was completely shot abroad, which I feel is great. I first want to thank my producer, Vinod, who made this whole thing possible, because every film has a restricted budget, and that too when it comes to COVID and a lot of these other problems, things become even tougher. So he didn't care about all that. He pushed and, he made us do what we wanted to do. So the script couldn't have come out into a better film than this if not for Vinod and Mamta. So I'd like to say that initially when I had the script in mind, I mentioned to few people, like, in the film industry that are close to me. I said, I think it'll be fantastic if someone like Mamta can do this role. And the first thing I got is, oh, she's very selective about scripts. Like, you need to completely convince her. You need to go and try. Like, we're not sure that she'd be able to do it. I said, I'll give it a shot. And that's when I spoke to her. So she loved the script. I think she liked the role that she was playing and she said she'll do it. And I've never worked with her before. So when we shot the movie, I was like, I've seen her work before, but, when I saw her on set and, the way she is super presentable, she's like got a great screen presence and she can, act so well, she can speak Tamil so well, and she's looking amazing. I was like, whoa, like, where was this person? Like, why am I not seeing her in Tamil a lot? I would personally want to see you a lot in Tamil also. Like, please, bless us with more movies in Tamil. People over there would love your work. Okay, so we really enjoyed working together. Thank you so much for being part of this movie. Mrinalini, I spoke to her. Like I said, we wanted, I'm so sorry, once again. So we wanted a really nice, young, new person in Tamil. She's done a film in Telugu, which you guys would have watched. And she plays a medicine student in Singapore. So I called her, I said, we have this nice, happy role, a lot of scenes with Vishal sir and all that. She was like, on board, and she came in and all. What I was like truly surprised with her was like, I knew that because from her TikTok videos and all, we know that she can act. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've seen a lot of TikTok videos and all, she does all those cute things and she acts and all that. And I saw that, and that was like, there's not a better audition tape than TikTok videos, you know what I'm saying? So there's like complete, like I got all the auditions out of that. But she can dance. Like you saw that I never knew. Like suddenly she's like dancing so well and all. I was like, okay, now I've got double bonus. Someone who looks nice, who can dance, who can act also. So that is very good for Tamil cinema. RD sir, he's actually, I think when I say cinema, like in terms of technicians, like he's like the complete pillar of support. Like for the first film that we started, he's only worked with me. And like me and him have a great rapport. Like, it'll almost be like there'll be times where I'll just have to look at him, he'll look at me, and we'll know what we're going to do. That's what he also mentioned. It doesn't have to be only about the shots, even about what lunch we're going to have. Okay, this evening we're going shopping. even those kind of things, he will be able to just look at each other and he'll understand, okay, okay, we are doing that. So we have a great rapport, and I think he's done a brilliant job. Like even Irumugan Inkokudu that came out here was appreciated a lot for its visual quality. I think Enemy will be above that also. Like he made sure that every single frame looks great, and when you see the final picture, like in cinemas, you'll definitely love it. So thank you, Adi sir, for showing the film in a big scale. And Arya sir, Vishal sir. So Arya sir is he's like super close to me, just like Vishal sir. We have a great bond and everything. And in this film, see, basically what I want to say is generally I think it's like in Telugu also, now some films are coming, like with two actors acting together. It's not very common in the South. It's common in Bollywood, but it's not common in South. So now, even now, I'm saying like Rajamouli Garu, like he's doing Triple R. So that to that extent, it's happening. Like in Tamil, it doesn't happen often at all. So I'm like very happy that two actors are actually, they okayed the script and they've come on board to share screen space and do this. So that takes the hype to a different level when both of them are acting together. So I think this is like a super welcome change. Just like Triple R is happening, Vishal sir and Arya coming forward to do together is amazing. So I'm very happy. I'll have to thank both of them for being, okay with this. I think them being best friends off screen helped a lot. Like, my shoot was very, very comfortable. So when off screen, they'll be like very good friends. And when it comes to on screen, they'll be super competitive with each other. If one person is performing one stunt, somebody will try to, Vishal sir will try to do better, Arya will try to do better. So that will keep happening. All that I have to do is just roam around and keep the camera, like happily shoot whatever I want. So I kept getting whatever I wanted. So it was an amazing experience working with both of them. And another thing is, see, when it comes to action and all, when you see the climax of this movie, I think you'll appreciate that a lot. So when it comes to action, you'll usually have actors who, act the stunt out, and there'll be other stuntmen who do other things. Here, my thing is, I got two actors who work as stuntmen also, which is very surprising because both of them like got in. They used to do all the shots. Vishal sir will break one glass, Arya will go and break another glass, and then Vishal will go and fall from a car, Arya will jump from all those things will be there in the movie. They keep competing with each other, doing stunts just like stuntmen, and they don't have any hesitation to any kind of shots, and they're ready to take the risk. In fact, I was the one, if Arya sir, if he remembers, I was the one who said, I think you shouldn't do it. And he was like, no, I'll do it. Then Vishal sir was like, then I'll also do it. And both of them were doing that. So thank you so much for being part of this film, and, both of you together making this film really big. So this is a very important film for me, because it's a really nice commercial film. We are trying to cater to all kinds of audience, not just all age groups, also all states, because this film is releasing in Tamil, this film is releasing in Telugu, in Kannada also, he just told me, in Malayalam and in Hindi. So which is big, and tomorrow when it comes to OTT, nobody knows what the reach. Anybody from anywhere can watch it on subtitles. So I think we've tried our best to cater to all the audience, and I hope you all go to the theater and enjoy it. There are people who are not here. Ramanana is here, Vishal sir's friend. Like we've always been, talking and discussing about the films. Even recently when he saw the film, there are two things he told me. I've seen the film 100 times at edit. Those two things he told me made sense. So I went and made a small change. So, all that like is a lot of contribution for the movie. There are technicians who are not here. Like my editor, my music director, Sam, Taman is not available today. All those people, all the people that worked in the film, they've put in their best effort possible. So I think the film has come out really well. Please watch it, and thank you for coming here. Thank you.
Thank you. Anand Shankar garu, please.
How do you want to ask me? Telugu only those 4 lines I practiced.
నేను యాక్చువల్లీ ఈయన తెలుగులో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ఏంటి నోట అప్పుడు నేర్చుకున్న తెలుగు ఇంకా గుర్తుందా అని అనుకున్నాను.
Where he'll speak in English. Vijay Deverakonda will speak only in English. To you all he'll act and he'll speak in Telugu. All other people he'll speak in English only. So I communicated so easily.
We are glad that you started in Telugu so wonderfully. But let us know something about this, Enemy movie. Who is Enemy for who? Vishal garu, Arya garu's enemy.
Vishal's enemy is Arya. So in between then both of them, if you keep the title enemy, it will be perfect.
Oh, then who is your enemy on sets?
Who is my enemy on set? This time, so usually, okay, everybody will say producer is enemy, all that. But my producer is a friend, unfortunately. I think we have a friend-enemy relationship only. But what I like about Vinod, no, when he speaks, you'll think he's your enemy.
ఓకే
But he's actually very pure-hearted. He's a friend.
ఓహో మాటలు కఠినంగా ఉంటాయి బట్ గుడ్ ఎట్ హార్ట్ అన్నమాట
Very,
అది
very, very
సంగతి.
good. Even if he shouts, if he screams at people, you know very well that, you know, his character is like that.
Okay.
But he's a very, very nice person, gem of a person. So tomorrow, if somebody ends up in a fight with Vinod, it's very much possible. Easily you can have a fight with Vinod. He'll get pissed off with you. But you have to know that he'll end up being your friend. That's all.
ఓకే అయితే నేను కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి వాళ్ళ స్టేజ్ పైన. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఆనంద్ గారు, విష్ యూ గుడ్ లక్.
Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you. Thank you.